Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a screen on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Messenger. Now start a video call as you normally would. Now tap on the middle icon in the menu bar. Then click on Share option. Click on Start Sharing and tap on Start Now. Now you can guide your friend through screen share. And if you want to stop the screen share, you can tap on Stop button. And that is how you can share a screen on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.